All right, guys, welcome to this page of the notes, and here we go. We're just going to continue this idea of graphing rational expressions. Again, right away, I jump into it by finding my value of h and my value of k. H is equal to a positive 1, k is equal to a negative 4. Here's what that tells me. I will have a vertical asymptote at negative 1. Right there, right? Because the vertical asymptote is determined by h. I will have a horizontal asymptote at minus 4. Because the horizontal asymptote is determined by k. So there's my vertical, there's my horizontal. Now the last piece I need to figure out, right? Does it come like this and go like that? Or does it come like this and go like that? I need a point. And the easiest point to find is when y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to negative 3 over x plus 1 minus 4. All right, we're going to solve for x, right? When y is 0, you cross the x-axis. I'm looking for the x-intercept. Where is it? Add 4 to the other side. Multiply the x plus 1 over. Don't forget the parentheses because I'll need to distribute the 4. 4x plus 4 is equal to a negative 3. 4x is equal to a minus 7. X is equal to negative 7/4. Again, as a decimal, that's going to be a negative 1.75. So here's what I know. I know that I cross the x-axis at negative 1.75, which is right about, it's right about there. Again, you're guesstimating. It's really, really close. Okay, at this point, it should be pretty easy to tell. I have to go through that point, but I can't touch the asymptotes. Well, guys, there's only one way to do that. It's got to come down through here like this. And again, you're free-handing these. If you touch the asymptote, I'm not going to freak out. Just do not cross those asymptotes. Now, if I'm going to infinity on this side, well, on the opposite side, I have to be coming from the other direction. So it's going to go like that. All right. Hopefully you're getting the hang of these. Let's do one more together. I think you guys have probably just about got this down. I'm looking for values of h and k. Well, the h is always going to be down here, so that means my h is a positive 4. My k is always going to be back here, so k is equal to 1. Well, it's going to be the opposite, right? So I need to go to minus 4. Okay, there's my vertical. H works exactly, it's a plus 8, it's a plus 1 for k, so I'll just shift up 1. Here's my horizontal. All right, I've got some really good pieces, but the last thing I need is where is my x-intercept, right? Once I know where my x-intercept is, then I can sketch in the rest of the graph. Well, we do that by setting y equal to 0. Right, when y is 0, you cross the x-axis. All right, subtract the 1 to the other side, so negative 1 is equal to negative 2 over x plus 4. Multiply the x plus 4 to the other side, negative 1 times x, the quantity x plus 4. I'll leave it in parentheses so I don't forget to distribute. Negative x minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to a negative 2. Minus x is equal. Add the 4, so that gives me 2. X is equal to negative 2. So my x-intercept is at negative 2. 1, 2, right there. And so now I know exactly what this guy looks like. I got to go through that point, and I cannot touch the asymptotes. Well, you should be getting pretty good at this. There's only one way to do that. Runs through there. Again, if you touch the asymptote, I won't freak out. We're free-handing these graphs. Just do not cross that asymptote. Since it's going to negative infinity on this side, it's got to come from positive infinity on the other side. There it is right there. All right, guys, at this point, we've gotten a great introduction to graphing rational expressions. You start by finding the vertical and the horizontal asymptote, then go ahead and figure out the x-intercept by setting y equal to 0 and solving for x. That'll let you know where you cross the x-axis. It gives you that point that you need to help you then sketch in the rest of the graph. Guys, I had a ton of fun graphing rational expressions for you, and we are not done. The next section will look at even more complicated rational expressions, but we'll just build on what we've already done here. If you're comfortable with this, I promise you, you'll do just fine in the next section. I can't wait to take a look at it with you. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.